Hello everyone, welcome back to my another video. In this video I am going to show you how to use Google Play Point coupons. Sometimes when we open the apps in Google Play Store, can see a notification, get items with Play Points. It's mean there are giving coupons also. So however we can purchase anything with Google Play Points, but this video will show you how to use Google Play Points coupons. Let's see what coupons giving us. Open Google Play Points option. Then you need to Google Play Points to purchase or use coupons. If you are new for this Google Play Point videos, check my other videos to learn about Google Play Points, how to earn and how to use. So, this video about how to use points. Google Play Points. Use option and find out your favorite game coupon. However, I am a Clash of Clans player, therefore I am gonna purchase Gold Pass, using Clash of Clans coupon. We can spend Google Play Points. Google Play Points user, we can find favorite game coupon. Click the coupon you need to purchase. Before purchase the coupon, make sure to read conditions. There are one-time use only, and you can purchase only for higher value than coupon value. It's mean if you get $3 coupon, you can buy $3 or higher value item only. You cannot buy lower than $3 item. So, let me £3 coupon with my points. Click agree here. Then click use points. Then put email password here. Successful. Let's use coupon now. We can buy anything using this coupon, but I am going to buy Gold Pass now. When we going to buy Gold Pass, we can see coupon added here and redact the cost. I am going to pay other amount using Google Play Balance. We can spend Google Play Points to top up Google Play Balance. Check my video description to more. Payment successful. This is the way to get Gold Pass from PlayPoint coupons. If you wish to learn more about this videos, comment me below. And comment me, does it worked for you? Or not? Thank you for watching me. Subscribe me to watch new videos. Thank you. See you again.